Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how your YouTube account email is linked to your Google account. To clarify, you cannot directly change the email used for a personal YouTube channel without also changing your entire Google account email. However, there are two specific methods to update your primary login or fully transfer channel ownership if it is a brand account, offering flexibility for your content management going forward. This process ensures your channel remains secure. If your Google account does not currently use a Gmail address, you can change your primary sign-in email. Simply go to your Google account settings and locate Personal Info on the left-hand menu. From there, select Contact Info and choose Email, then Google Account Email. You will be prompted to enter your desired new email and verify it, ensuring you have access to that inbox. Remember, this only changes your login for all Google services. For channels managed under a brand account, you have the powerful option to transfer ownership entirely. To do this, head into YouTube Studio, navigate to Settings, and then click on Permissions. You can invite another Google account as a manager. After a waiting period of 7 days, you can promote them to become the primary owner. This method effectively transfers the channel to a new email provided by that different Google account. When making these important changes, always prioritize your account's security. You will need to verify your identity several times throughout the process to prevent unauthorized access. Remember that altering your Google account email impacts all associated Google services, not just YouTube. Activating strong security measures, like two-factor authentication on the new account, is highly recommended to protect your valuable content. Keep your channel safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.